Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about everything that you need to know about Snapchat and its monetization. Are you a content creator that consistently posts on Snapchat? Well, if so, they have a monetization program which rewards established creators for the content they post. It's their way of saying thank you for investing in the Snapchat community. So the first thing is you need to get an invitation. So as a part of the program, creators may be eligible for invitation if they meet the following criteria. If you are invited, they will get in touch with you by email. So make sure your account details are up to date. So the first requirement you need to meet is audience and engagement. You need to have at least 50,000 followers and achieve 15,000 hours of view time over the last 28 days, with at least 3,000 of those hours coming from Spotlight. And number two is going to be, of course, compliance. So be at least 18 years old or the age of legal majority in your country and publish original advertiser-friendly content compliant with their community guidelines and content guidelines for recommendation and eligibility. Also reside in an eligible country and be a Snap star. You can learn more about how to apply for Snapchat verification as well, and also comply with their monetization terms. And I'll tell you exactly how the revenue sharing works as well. So Snapchat will post ads between snaps in a public story or within a spotlight, and creators in the program receive a share of revenue. So if you want to cash out your rewards, no problem. Creators can manage their payouts in-app and cash out a minimum of $100 daily whenever they choose. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.